This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Flood warning for the northwestern district of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County, and central Maryland until 3:45 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Arlington, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Olney, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, North Potomac, Redland, Colesville, Kemp Mill, Chevy Chase, North Kensington, South Kensington, Forest Glen, Martin's Additions, North Chevy Chase, Rossmere, Wheaton Glenmont, Friendship Village, American University, Georgetown, Adams Morgan, Silver Spring, Wheaton. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.